can't do it.
Go.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, so my name is Ryan. We've got Erin and Emily, and we are going to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. I was nominated by Tina Lopez and Josh Bigler over at Urban Fit. So thank you all very much for that one. I am going to nominate Will Lied. We'll go with
Jamil and Sarah Perez.
Jamil and Sarah Perez. We'll go with Billy and Lisa Getchman. We'll go with, let's do one more. Who else? We'll go with Nanny and Pop. All right, Emily, who are you going to nominate?
And Lily and Emma.
Lily and Emma, and how about you?
Nikki and Deanna and Michael.
All right, here we go. Let's put our ice in.
Can't do it. I can.
That's a lot of ice.
I can't do it, Daddy.
Get over here. Come on,
This side.
stand next to me. Ready? You ready? What?
I know this doing next to Mommy.
Get over here.
No, I can't do it. You can't nominate
You
anyone.
can't nominate.
Okay, I'll do it. Here, you have to stand.
Come
next.
closer.
I'm just going here.
Come on. Come closer.
Okay.
The closer you do it, the less wet you get. Come on. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's cold. You two ran away from me.
I got a little wet.
You buggers.
So that